If you like VS Code from this to this, then I'm pretty sure you like minimalism, simple things, and decluttered stuff. Welcome back. It's Let's Write Code, and I'm Ajmin Pradhan. Let's just customize our VS Code step by step from scratch to end and make it happen together. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. All right, so you can see in my screen the default look of Visual Studio Code. Let's go step by step and customize this from absolute scratch. I have a text file. I have created this from basic steps, so you can follow it from step by step. I'll be providing that in the description below, so you can have it and copy some of the code if you need just. So you see that in the step 1, we just need to do some of the basic things that we can do just clicking somewhere in the VS Code. I'm on Mac, but you can follow this for Windows too. It's pretty much same. The only difference is here I have all of the menu in the menu bar, and in Windows you will have on top of the VS Code. So that's pretty much it. So the very first thing I want to do here is mini map. What it is? So if I just go in my code, you see we have a mini map over here. Some people like it, I don't, so I'm gonna go to view, appearance, and mini map. I don't like it. And status bar, and this is the one. You see we have a lot of the things. For example, this go live, this live server, this branch, and all of this stuff. You may like it, I don't, so I'm just gonna click it and I'm gonna hide status bar. In case you just don't like it, then you can go to this view, appearance, and again, just take this status bar, it's gonna come. Then we are gonna do layout controls. This, you see, just right click and layout controls. This one. And then we also I don't like this search bar, so command center. It's almost pretty much of so much thing happening. Okay, let's move on. Okay, we have completed the step 1. Let's go with the step 2, which is appearance. All right, so we have a few of the color code here. In case you are not getting anything what we are going and how it's going to help us, just click on the settings and then click on settings icon, and then click on settings, and then here just click on this icon, this little open settings icon. You'll see that we have these 4 lines. In your case, it may be 6 line, 8 line, or maybe 2 line, or maybe completely empty like that. It doesn't matter. If it is empty, just give 2 curly braces and then keep on writing the things I'm writing now. If it's there, then just add the code what I'm adding below that. So let's copy the code. Let's copy this and let's give a comma and let's just paste it. And then just save the file. You maybe Control S or Command S, and let's see. Oh, it's already different. If I just remove it and then do Control S, you see, I'm not sure you are realizing that or not. In your laptop, you can, when you apply, you can see the real difference. So I'm gonna take it back and do Control S to save the file. Now you might be seeing some of the colors over here. In case you are not understanding which color is what, just hover on this, like take your mouse cursor there, and you'll see a color palette. Now you can do the changes. Maybe you're gonna like red, so just skip it and then do Control S. Then you are gonna be able to just change the color. Just take your mouse cursor and do the change, and then just hit Control S. You're gonna see the change, and that's it. So nothing much of a rocket science here. I'm gonna revert back to what I have now. I like the dark kind of a moody colors. Anyways, step 2 is completed by now. All right, let's move on to step 3, and that is remove right side indicators. I just don't like it. It's so much annoying to see this. For example, I'm gonna remove this code. You see, on the right side, I have red indicators. I don't like it. Why you need to tell me I'm doing it consciously. Maybe you need it, maybe don't. I don't know. So I'm gonna just remove it. And I'm just gonna copy this and go to this settings.json and line break and then just paste it and come and then save. Now you see, is it saving? Why it is not? Something wrong. Oh, my bad, my bad. The code I provided in the step 2, already you see this line of code is already added in my code. These 3 lines. And also in the step 4, this line, this is also added in this code. So I'm gonna just remove this code from here and show you the difference. So I'm gonna save the control as, and you see you see the red line. Why? Because I had this code over here. I had this code, but the moment I remove it, you see this line, this kind of a red line over here. Sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's green. We have so many of the line, this kind of indicators over here, and it's very easy for me to get distracted, as like it pinch on my eyes. So I don't want this in my code editor, and for that I'm gonna just copy this 3 and just paste that inside this color customizations. You see, not out of that. So I'm gonna hit save, and you see there's no indicators, nothing like that. But if there is something wrong, for example, like this, it's gonna show, and that is necessary, right? It should show me. So it will show me these kind of errors, but not the indicators that usually I have. Pretty good so far. Now, you have seen already step 3. I was about to show step 2, but somehow I just jumped to step 3. Now, for hiding the line numbers, you see on the left side, again, person to person, it may vary. I don't like it personally. So I'm gonna just copy this and go to my settings.json and click on this line number 21 and give a line break and hit Control S or Command S. Now you see there is no line numbers. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Now, step 1 done, step 2 done, step 3 done, and now let's customize our terminal. If I just hit on this terminal and new terminal, you see the background is pretty boring. Let's just copy this code and go inside this customizations and paste it anywhere. Now this and hit Command S. You see the difference here in the terminal? Pretty great, pretty great. Now you see this customize other things in the terminal. Well, what does this means? If I just right click problems, output, debug console, some people I have seen has ports, some people has gitlines, what not, and some people has comments as well. So this all of the things, and you see the moment it cross the specific width, it gives you this 3 dot. So I may want to go to this terminal, but why do you need this much of a thing? Just give whatever you need. Like I just need the terminal only, maybe sometimes debug. So I'm just gonna keep terminal. I don't need ports for now. I don't need gitlines. Like these things doesn't make any sense. terminal is also minimalist by now. Hide left side. Step 5. This is what I just want to talk about a little long, because once I remove this, you are gonna go crazy on me. That, hey, Ajmin, how can you just remove this? How we are gonna navigate to this search, this get? How are you gonna do it? Well, the answer is pretty simple. When you hover, you see a shortcut. So you just need to memorize it. But how? Just repeating yourself, do over and over, over and over. I did it. Once you learn it, this is a lifesaver. So I'm gonna right click here. And again, another quick tip is, if you want, you can just also, again, you can add a lot of other things here as well, which I don't need as of now. So I just removed all of this. Now you see, I can do activity bar position. I can do hidden. If you go on view and then appearance and then activity bar position, you can do also hidden. You can do top, you can do bottom. So much of the things hidden. It's gone. How can I get it back? Simple. Appearance, activity bar position, and default. So in case you don't like it, just get it back. Now, if for now I make this full screen, you see it's already a lot things are not here. If I just click Control B or Command B, the left side is also hidden. Then I can focus on my code a lot better. So now the problem is, since this bar is hidden, I like it, but at the same time, I also want to create files, remove files, duplicate files. How do I do it, Ajman? For the first time, just go to this activity bar default again and click on this extension, and you just need to write file utils. A very cool extension for VS Code. I use it crazily. You can do whole lot of things. This, you can replace this entire this file explorer with this file utils. It's very powerful. How? You just need to use Control Shift and P. For some people it's Control Alter P. For me it's Control Option P. It is what it is. So you see, if I just write file utils over here, you can duplicate, delete, rename. I can rename it whenever I want. And once I'm done it, just hit enter. That's it. This is very powerful. Now, if I want to search something globally, Control Shift and F. If I want to see this get, Control Shift and G. That's it. If I want to see, for example, let me hide this. Now it's hidden. So if I want to see my extensions, how do I do it? Again, open the this one and type extensions. You see view show extensions. Just click on it. You have your extensions. And again, if you want to see your files, then Control Shift and E. For me, it's Control Command Shift and E. It's there. Now, another thing that really bothers me is this white line. Let's hide this white line because I don't like it. Just what I just need to do is I need to paste this editor guides indentation and then set it to false and then Control S. You see, nothing is here. Nothing. If I just hide it and I go to my systems, then maybe menu. If I just change it to always, and then you see, how much I can just focus on my code. If I just go to this settings, this one, just immediately you have to see, the moment I just remove everything and save, this is what it is we had. The moment I go back and save, this is what we have now. So this one versus this one. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this and enjoy your coding a little bit better. In case you want to hide this what do I say this? Just go to appearance and hide this breadcrumbs. It's hidden. If you want to hide your tab bar as well, tab bar may be hidden. It's full Vim kind of a code editor now. So customize the way you like, the way you want your VS Code to look for you. And some other cool videos I'm gonna see you definitely. So consider hitting the subscribe button and I'm gonna catch you up in the next one. Bye.